for today. Today is Thursday, May 22nd. I'm Todd Mitchell. Today's free video. Let's start off real quick by talking about the E-Mini futures trade, or actually two trades that I showed you yesterday, and then I ended the video before that second trade was actually over. If you remember, the market opened up pretty strong, gapped higher yesterday, ran up. I actually took a trade in here, feeling that there was, definitely momentum that the market would continue higher. Ended up stopping myself out right in here, relatively small stop, and actually reversed and went long in here. Okay, and I ended the video right in here. Okay, ended the video in there. I'm telling you that I thought the market was going to go higher. I definitely thought it would have moved higher than it did, but what I said here was I thought that the market would come back up and at least retest the highs and potentially go much higher. Well, it went a little higher, took some profits in there, and pretty much on these two trades, pretty much scratched. Okay, pretty much just a scratch. Okay, so the first trade was a losing trade. The second one was a winning trade in about equal amount of points, about 2 each. So it was a pretty much scratch deal. Then later in the day, there was just a beautiful setup right in here. I mean, just a classic trade setup. A nice deep pullback off the high of the day into a logical support zone followed by a bullish engulfing pattern. At a time of day where I would have been expecting the market to resume back up and try to retest the highs of the day. So really, this trade right in here turned out to be the trade of the day. So that is the futures trade from yesterday. Let's just quickly take a look at the Laredo Petroleum stock trade that I've been outlining for you. Let's go back to a daily. All right, we're back on a daily chart since we're executing off of a daily chart. As you recall, the market's pulled down off these highs. We're in a logical support. Okay, went long calls here, and pretty much kind of unchanged right now, up about 5 cents on the call position from yesterday. Watch yesterday's video to refresh where I'm long at. I am long the July 25 call at a price of $2.95. Again, I believe this market's going to rally. Okay. It's got the potential to really bounce from this position, from this place of support right in here. It looks really, really good to me. Again, I'm long the July in the money call, right? 25 is the strike. A July 25 call at a price of $2.95. As of yesterday's close, it was $3. So we'll see how much this can rally. And I'm using the underline as the trigger mechanism for some profit taking and for the stop. So if I'm wrong on this trade, the market comes down through these lows, I'll just exit the call trade, okay? And then real quick, Caterpillar, I think Caterpillar CAT is setting up beautifully. This is a trade you've seen me talk about numerous times in the past. Obviously, the trend is up. Anyone can see that. Market is pulled down nicely off the highs. We're back to that 50 exponential, the hot pink line. We've created an inside pattern here, a lower high and a higher low. The trade trigger would be a penetration up through yesterday's high of 103 even to 103.20. So the 103.20 is the trigger to get long on Caterpillar. So hope that helps. I've got a couple other real powerful trades setting up. I'm going to be talking next in the premium video, okay? Hope to see you there. All right, have a profitable day, and I'll talk to you soon.